Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital may be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not an investment advice. So this video is another live trading explanation video of those trading setups which I have explained in the ebook. Get this ebook, it's for free, you'll find the link in the description. So this is his ebook. I will not repeat now again and again those things which are necessary to understand those trading setup. I will do this really fast because it should be annoying for everyone. So let me see if I can show you the most important fundamentals, basics which you have to know. Okay, this is first of all the candlestick math. Watch this video. Then the rejection stuff. Yes, watch this video. And then we have the market condition, which is important, the trend identification video, and then the other ones, what we have here another rejection video, where I explain how it looks like a trading setup, the trend, the key level, the candlestick pattern, and the rejection, yes. And then the breakout stuff, which is important. Obviously, you have to understand candlestick pattern, chart pattern, yes, that are also important. And then we get the reversal and retracement stuff. You see here a retracement on a higher time frame is a reversal on a lower time frame, and that you can scale down and scale up. So, and then we have here the trading setups, and on those trading setups there are two important things. There are the continuation trading setups, that are those one where the trend is in the same direction like the trading direction, yes, and then the reversal trading setups where the trend is in the opposite direction of the reversal of the trading direction. So this ebook is for free. You can find the link in the description, only to let you know, because I get always those questions where to find the ebook. The ebook is in the description. So, and then and examples of those kind of trading setups you find in the Facebook group, yes. There are posted a few of them. I hope there will be posted soon much more. So, okay, let me see if I can show you some trading setup. The first trading setup is this one. This should be really common to you now. Yes, and that is this one. I can show you this here. So let me show you this. That is this one here. You see, we have here a red candle, a green candle, another red candle, which breaks through this level. And now I'm going to show you why I know here on this trade that it will be a strong trend and that it will be a continuation trade, yes, because of this double top here. This double top here's a neckline. I have drawn this neckline here, yes, you see, and that is what I explain you. This is a fake breakout here. This is a fake breakout of this neckline, yes, of this support and resistance area, and that's why I'm pretty much sure that because I entered here into this trade, because after I have seen this fake breakout and this part, this trading setup here, yes, which is the same like this one here, yes, for me it was a clear put, yes, to do a put, because of after such a double top and the neckline got here hold and acts as resistance. Yes, first it was support, then it broke through this level. Yes, then it got resistance, and here the fake breakout. It was clear that we are heading down further, and here you see this kind of area will act as resistance too. Yes, and that's the reason why you can enter here immediately into a put without any kind of rejection or anything. Yes, if you wait for a rejection, it's almost better. Yes, but you can trade them also without any kind of rejection if you know that the trend is strong down, and after a double top there will be a strong downtrend. After a double bottom there will be a strong uptrend, and after a triple top, a triple bottom, that's always the trend after this will be also always strong. If you have for example a head and shoulders or an inverted head and shoulders pattern, you know that the trend after this will be strong. If you have a breakout of any kind of chart pattern, the trend after this will be strong, and you trade in the direction of the trend. And here you know here the trend will be strong, and that's the reason why I have done immediately a put. Maybe let me see, or I waited for a rejection. You see how price rejected from this resistance area now here. This created a resistance. You see here this little bit wick, and I'm preparing to do a put here, you see. And I entered into a put. The movement was a little bit strong, yes, but you could enter immediately, so you had avoid this bad entry point. And you see how price reacts again on this kind of resistance area, and that is what I'm trying to explain you in this live trading examples, yes, where I'm going to show you those kind of concept where support and resistance is working. And you see it's going down now. Yes, because the trend is strong, mostly in the last few seconds it will unfold, and as you see it's going down, yes, because also the EMAs are really flat, and that is also good. But after such a double top, yes, double top, you get almost a strong downtrend, and after a double bottom you get a strong uptrend. So that was this example you have seen. It was in the money. So let me see if I can show you another one. So okay, and after this trade there was again the same setup again. Yes, you see here that is a strong up downtrend. You see here we have traded before this, we traded this one, yes, and now we got here down, and this candlestick is showing that we are heading down further. That is an inverted bearish hammer. And you see here also again, we have here some kind of support area now. Yes, this support was broken by this candle, and this is a strong bearish candle. And this is showing also that we're heading down. The trend is down. Yes, and we have here a red, a green, a red, and then we can enter here into the next trade with the put. So, but I think I didn't have done this. No, I hadn't have done this, but that is the same concept, the same scenario. Yes, in a strong downtrend, you can trade such a scenario always, because this kind of, okay, I don't know what happened here now. What happened here, okay. Here, you see, okay. I don't know what happened here. Why it switched? I don't know why it switched here. I don't know what happens here, but you know, I want to show you only those kind of concepts, yes. So let me see if I can find another one. So okay, I know why it changed. It changed because it was a trading session where I had to do a pause, and after this pause, where I have to open the door or something like this, I have continue the recording, and that's the reason why the chart changed. So, but now another setup example here. We have this kind of scenario. It's not looking like this in original, yes, like this, or I've explained here, but it's similar. The concept is that what counts. And you see we have this here below, and you see we have here this doji, yes, and we have here 1, 2, those wicks here, 1, 2, 3, and those 3 here, they are acting like a support area now. Yes, this support area here, like this support area here. Yes, this one. And so you can do a call here on the next candle without any kind of rejection. Obviously, if you want to wait for a rejection, it's always better. Yes. Let me see if I can. Okay. I do have done play. You see, you could enter now immediately into a call. Yes. I was preparing, and then I understood that this will go up, and then I entered, but you could enter immediately because you have here 1, 2, 3, and that is a strong support level, and that's the reason why you could do a put, and then it's also forming some kind of double bottom. So let me see if I entered here into a trade. It doesn't look, no, it doesn't look like this, yes, but this was the concept, yes. It was in some kind of ranging market, yes, and that's the reason why you could do this trade here easily, yes. Okay, that was not traded. I will try to find another one which I have traded, so give me 1 second. Okay, I have found another one. Here we have it. That is something, it looks like something like this one here. I would say it is similar to this. Yes, we can do this with this, only with 2. or also a combination between this and this one here, and only that the resistance is a little bit lower, something like this, yes, but it's the same scenario, yes, something like this. So only to demonstrate this to you, it's the same scenario, and I'm going to show you this now. Let me see if I can show you this here. We have this here. It was in the same video, and you see here we have this huge candle here, which got a rejection from this level here, from the maybe from the 20 EMA, and the next candlestick is forming here something like a doji, yes, and then or doji or something similar, which could be also something like this here. So let's see here, something like this, a pin bar, yes, a doji, pin bar, hammer, or something like this. I would say it's also, this is similar to this one here, yes, it's similar to this one. So let me see, at the end, important is only that you understand the concept. And so let's see what will unfold here. You see, here we got a rejection, and then there is forming something like a pin bar or a hammer or something like this, a doji, hammer or something, yes, and then you can enter immediately into a trade, because this kind of area here is acting as a resistance, this 20 EMA2, and you see here I entered into, I was explaining first, and then I entered into a trade here on the same level without any kind of rejection, because I was pretty much sure that we are heading down, yes, because we are far away from the two deviation Bollinger Band, lower Bollinger Band. That means that here is not anymore such a strong downtrend, yes, but because we got here a reversal, yes, you can expect that we are heading down further, because this is always a good sign that after this uptrend here will come up a downtrend, and that is why this is working out, yes. And you see we have here a combination of those trading setups, yes. We have here a nice resistance, then we have here a nice reversal candlestick pattern, yes, a pin bar or a hammer, something like this. So let me see if I can show you another one. So okay, and the next one which I want to show you is this one here. You see we have a downtrend, and after that downtrend we got here some kind of resistance, a support level, some kind of support level. And then we get a candlestick pattern like this one, for example, a bullish pin bar, a bullish hammer, or also a dragonfly doji. It can be everything, yes, or also a huge candle only, which shows that there is now coming up some uptrend, and that is the scenario. And I'm going to show you here the scenario, how this looks like here. It's really similar to this. So we have here let me show you this. We have here the uptrend. You see here uptrend, the downtrend. Sorry, downtrend. We have here downtrend. Yes, and then we got here this support areas. Yes, of this double bottom here. The neckline is the support area. It's in this case this one here. This and this one, yes, together, this area here. And then there will create something like a pin bar. In this case, it's a pin bar which is created above this level, yes. And so if this that needs another 4 seconds to get accomplished, and then let me do a stop after this pin bar. Yes, you see. Okay, so next candle, and after this you can go into a call, yes, because you have this kind of resistance support area in your favor, which will protect your bet against this kind of market, that it goes down, yes. And important here is that you are far away from the 2 deviation lower Bollinger Band, and also far away from the 1 deviation lower Bollinger Band. That means that you are in a ranging market, and that's the reason why this downtrend converts into an uptrend. And let's see what happened. You see, I didn't enter at the moment, but I will enter maybe. Yes, I entered now, yes, on the same level without any kind of rejection. And then the price is going down. Yes, because market tries to do panic, like always. I have explained this often, that market tries often to do panic. And you see it's going down, and then it got rejected. You see it going down, and then it got rejected from this area here, which I had explained, from this support area. And that's the reason why this at the end will work out, because of the rejection of this support level, which will protect you. And if this would be closer to this area here, to the closing price of this candlestick, it would be almost better. Yes, and it would be much more safer. But at the end, it worked out. You see it's going up in the last few seconds of the expiration time, and it worked out. Yes, and that was this example. So I would say that was enough for the moment. I will do some more till I have accomplished all my trading videos and I have explained them all. So I would say, if you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe. And if you have something to say, let me set a comment. But important is that you understood that you have to understand the concepts which I have explained at the beginning of the video, yes, where I have explained about the trend, about the key level, about the rejection and the fake breakout, because you have seen you have to use all of them, yes, to understand those kind of trading setups. So I would say stay safe and bye-bye.